Every team has a clutch player, and you as the coach want the ball in their hands at the end of the game. With our information, you may be able to develop numerous clutch players so you're not dependent on that one person. This profile is going to help you know which one of your athletes inherently has better self-image and is going to be more likely to trust himself or herself in clutch situations. On the other side, we're going to be able to tell you the ones who are going to doubt themselves and give you the skills to teach them confidence. If your team struggles with confidence, we can teach you as a coach how to make their confidence durable so that success builds their confidence and even failures build their confidence. That's the secret to what we do.
When you're an amateur performer, whether it's high school or college, and you dream of being a professional player, there's a fine line between how can I become the best I can be. And I think this system gives young people a chance to bridge that gap. It's not often or not always talent that makes a difference, but your mindset.